Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a beverage that's been making waves in the health and wellness community. Get ready to discover the best milk alternative packed with protein, Slate milk. Slate milk isn't your average protein shake, it's a game changer. Imagine a creamy, indulgent vanilla latte flavor infused with 20 grams of protein per serving. And guess what? Zero added sugar. But that's not all. It's lactose-free, keto-friendly, and crafted with all-natural ingredients. Now, let's talk about what sets Slate milk apart. Each serving not only delivers a whopping 20 grams of quality protein but also boasts a mere 1 to 3 grams of net carbs. And did I mention the caffeine kick? With 175 milligrams of caffeine, it's the ideal pick-me-up for any time of day. But wait, there's more. Slate milk offers a variety of flavors to suit every palate. From classic chocolate to decadent mocha and everything in between, there's a flavor for everyone. Plus, you can choose from different pack sizes to fit your needs. Whether it's a 12-pack, 24-pack, or even 48-pack. Now, let's talk logistics. Each Slate milk pack contains 11 ounces of goodness, perfectly sized for on-the-go convenience. And with sleek packaging, it's not just a treat for your taste buds but also for your eyes. In conclusion, Slate milk isn't just a protein shake, it's a lifestyle. With its irresistible taste, nutritional benefits, and convenient packaging, it's the ultimate milk alternative for those looking to fuel their bodies with goodness. So why wait? Experience the Slate milk revolution today. That's a wrap for today's review. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product analyses. And let us know in the comments below if you've tried Slate milk and what you think. Until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique for all your product exploration needs. Cheers!